Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the Nature's Gate Natural Toothpaste. The flavor that I like to use is the Cool Mint Gel because it's very refreshing. It's fluoride free, paraben free, sulfate free. It has no sodium lauryl sulfate, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors or sweeteners, and no animal byproducts or testing. Here's a listing of some of the other ingredients as well. Most of them are natural ingredients, and that's another thing that I like about Nature's Gate toothpaste, that it's all natural. So give it a try. You can find it at your local Whole Foods store, or you can order it online. Thanks for watching.